Welcome to the PortalConnect online training tutorial of how to locate, view, and print past visit notes. The information you will see in this video is purely fictitious and used for training purposes only. To view any notes that your doctor may have shared with you, please log into your PortalConnect account and select the Appointments tab. Once in this section, select the blue link Past Visits. This will display a list of all past appointments you have had with the practice. Select the blue link below the appointment called Print PDF. If you only see the reason for visit stated, please message or call your doctor to request your visit notes be shared with you. On the top right side of the page, you also have the option to print the visit by selecting the little printer icon. That concludes our training tutorial on how to locate, view, and print past visit notes.